how to make soil in Little Alchemy 2. If you want to make soil in Little Alchemy 2, we'll first of all open up the Little Alchemy game or the app over here. Whether you're on mobile or PC doesn't matter. First, what we will do is we will combine water and water to create a puddle, puddle and puddle to create a pond, pond and pond to create a lake, and then lake and water to create a sea. Then we can actually go ahead and then combine earth and sea to create a primordial soup. Then after this we will combine fire and fire to create energy, then energy and primordial soup to create a life. Now that we have created life, we can now create soil by simply combining earth to it, and just like that we have our soil. And this is easily how you can make soil in Little Alchemy 2. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.